Quartz or porcelain countertops, which is better for your kitchen? Dear friends, choosing the right countertop can completely change the look and functionality of your kitchen. Two popular options today are quartz and porcelain countertops, but which one is better for your home? Quartz countertops are engineered using natural quartz crystals mixed with resins. This makes them non-porous, highly durable, and resistant to stains. They are perfect for busy kitchens because they don't require sealing and are easy to maintain. On the other hand, porcelain countertops are made from refined clay and fired at extremely high temperatures. This process makes them incredibly heat-resistant, scratch-resistant, and even UV-resistant, which means they won't fade over time, even in outdoor kitchens. When it comes to design, quartz offers a wide variety of colors and consistent patterns, making it ideal for modern interiors. Porcelain, however, can mimic natural stone like marble very realistically, giving a premium and elegant look. In terms of durability, both materials perform well, but porcelain has an edge in heat resistance, while quartz is slightly more impact resistant due to its thickness. Maintenance is simple for both, but quartz is slightly more forgiving when it comes to daily use. Porcelain, although tough, can chip on edges if not handled carefully. So, which is better? If you want low maintenance and uniform design, go for quartz. But if you prefer high heat resistance and a natural stone look, porcelain is a great choice. Ultimately, the best countertop depends on your kitchen style and lifestyle needs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.